Hey everyone! Welcome to Zer1, where programming starts from 0 and takes you to 1. This is Olive.
And this is Ollie. Today, we're starting from scratch, the absolute basics.
Do you ever wonder how a computer actually works?
Most people just click and hope for the best. I'm no different.
Exactly. But behind all that clicking, there's something called a program. Program is a set of instructions that tells computer what to do and how to do it.
It's basically the computer's to-do list. Just like a recipe tells a chef how to cook a dish, a program tells a computer how to perform a task.
Programs are written in high-level languages. They're human-readable, kind of like English, just more structured.
But here's the thing. Computers don't understand those directly. They only get zeros and ones. That's called machine code.
So, those high-level instructions have to be translated into machine language before the computer can actually do anything.
Exactly. And that translation is done by special programs called compilers and interpreters.
Wait, what's the difference?
Think of a compiler like a translator who reads your entire book, then rewrites the whole thing in a new language all at once. It takes your entire program and converts it into machine code before anything runs.
Okay, and an interpreter?
An interpreter is more like someone reading your book out loud and translating it sentence by sentence as they go. It reads your program one line at a time and tells the computer what to do right then and there.
Got it. Both are like translators, just with different styles.
Exactly. And without them, the computer wouldn't understand a single thing we're trying to say. So, if we look at this diagram, it's simple. The source code is what we, humans, write using a programming language.
Then either a compiler or an interpreter steps in and translates that code into machine code, the zeros and ones that the computer can understand.
And once that translation is done, the computer follows those instructions and makes things happen. Opening apps, playing music, running games, everything.
So in the end, a program is just our way of talking to the computer. And thanks to compilers and interpreters, it actually listens.
And that's the magic behind every click. Just lines of code, translated into action.
Pretty cool, right? Now that you know what a program really is, you're one step closer to understanding how technology works behind the scenes.
If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. We're just getting started.
More cool tech stuff coming up, so stay tuned.
Thanks for watching.
Take care and goodbye.